Hey guys, today we're going to be doing a quick review of the NatureMade Ultra Omega-3 fish oil. I've been using these for probably at least 2 or 3 years now, and I figured it was a good time to do a video review. These are honestly my favorite fish oil supplement. I did a lot of research to figure out what would be best for me. And as somebody that has ADHD such as myself, these are just a really, really great supplement to kind of help fight off some of those symptoms. And I've done quite a bit of research, and one of the things that you'll find online if you read some articles about ADHD and how fish oil can help with that is that the recommendation is that you have a fish oil that has a EPA to DHA ratio of roughly 3 to 4. So you can see this one has a DHA of around 200 and the EPA is almost 700. So this kind of met the criteria of some of the technical research that I was doing to really understand, what's the best fish oil, for your body and for ADHD and whatnot. And another thing I like about these is that it's just one per day. So you don't have to be taking fish oil all the time, and you really get all those benefits just from one pill. Also, the NatureMade brand is a really good brand. They've been around for a while and #1 pharmacist recommended. So this is a 90-day supply, so it'll last you for quite some time. I also have a problem with dry eye, and I had a doctor tell me I need to be taking fish oils. So that combined with the ADHD sort of benefit, really led me to try these out. And, I used to take ADHD medicine all the time. And now that I've used these and, I do drink a little bit of coffee, I'd say this plus coffee really just kind of helped me to not need that medicine anymore. So these are just really awesome. So let me just go ahead and take a couple of these out, or just one of them. So the pill is a little big, it's kind of like a big old horse pill, but you just take it once and you're good for the whole day. It's got that enteric coating on it, so it's kind of like an extended release fish oil in a way. It gives you a little bit all during the day. And I found that the pill's really easy to swallow, actually. You just, take it with some water. You want to make sure you have food with this first, though. According to the product instructions, you're supposed to, eat and then take this. So I always take it first thing in the morning, right after I have my cereal, and I don't have any stomach issues with this, and I don't have any fish burps or anything weird like that. These are awesome. And just to show you, I'm very committed to these, very committed to this product. I've got a couple other bottles, of 90 waiting. So once I finish this, I'll be on to the next 2. So, can't recommend these enough. Like I said, I've been searching for a fish oil for a long time, and this one really just checked the box in all the different categories. My eye doctor says, Grant, your eye health seems to be better. You no longer have that dry eye issue. And I think it's probably because I've been taking these fish oils so much. So anyways, that's the video review. Also, if you look in the description below, I'm going to have a link to the best price on Amazon that's available right now. So if you'd like to pick up a pair, or not really a pair, but a bottle of these, you can click on that link, get the best price. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video review of the NatureMade fish oil. If you liked the video, just like, comment, and subscribe for future content, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks.